Okay, there was just a moment of silence. Just a moment of silence. I'm sure about this week. Okay, but Mara, thing that does it me. Mamelan, I never understood Uguchi. You've got some skinophobic problems about money and things. That thing still baffles me. Your skinophobic problems about money and things is really not my problem. It just says to me, there's something wrong you're doing about your incomes and your monies and shit. I've got no shit to do with it. But honor yourselves. Does that make sense? Hey, come on, get involved.